What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, like I told you in last video, we are playing Off-Road Outlaws. So, first of all, I'm just going to go through my vehicles and show you what I got, because I've never played this game with y'all. Okay. So here's this vehicle. It's my other Jeep, just like that one. Right here. Here's my favorite one. Here's my favorite one. My favorite Jeep. I'm gonna go to this one. I like this Jeep a lot too. This is pretty cool. It's like I use it for like mudding and stuff. Pretty sick. This was my first vehicle right here. This is my first one. Right here. This is my favorite truck. My favorite truck. I had a favorite Jeep. This is my favorite truck. My car that I used to race with and earn some money. One of my other first vehicles. I don't know what I built this for. I was just I had a lot of money. My rock bouncer. This is my side by side. My daily truck. I don't know why I did this. I need to fix it. This is a Dodge truck. With tracks and diesel. Another side by side that needs to be washed. One of my other favorite trucks. Another rock bouncer. A four-wheeler. This thing. Right here. Bronco. Police. Another rock bouncer. Another four-wheeler. Another rock bouncer. Dirt bike. Let me go through these real quick here. I like this Hummer a lot. I haven't used it in a while though. So that's it. So I don't know what this video is going to be about. I just showed you all my vehicles. We're not going to do a build today because I don't know. I want to do a series of buildings and stuff, but I guess this video is just going to show you all my vehicles and Off-Road Outlaws. Because today I might post this today, but I might do another upload tonight of this. But I'm gonna do a vlog today, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.